Question 2. Why does steamed food taste kinda meh in comparison? A. It loses all its vitamins. B. It cools too fast. C. Not hot enough for Maillard magic. D. It absorbs too much sun. Answer C. Not hot enough for Maillard magic.
Really?
The Maillard reaction doesn't occur without high heat. Grilling reaches temps high enough to brown the surface. That's when the tasty chemistry kicks in. Steam just can't compete.
Yep, these are medium rare.
What if somebody wants theirs well done?
We ask them politely yet firmly to leave.